Okay, just a quick video. I just brought in my delivered washing machine. The initial package is in okay shape. It looks a little beat up. I just wanted to make a note of that. Probably just from all of the travel. So I'm going to pause it now while I grab a piece, while I grab some scissors. Okay, I'm gonna I'll go ahead and open the box and then we'll check out the condition of the machine. Okay, I've got the tape all cut loose. Let's open this up. Looks like the interior is in pretty good shape. That's reassuring. Plastic's in place. We're gonna take off the styrofoam here. Okay, nicely packaged. I'm glad to see that. Take this initial cover off. That's cute. There's everything. Looks like it's pretty decent shape. There's my filler hose. Have the compression and the instructions. Okay, good. So I'm glad to see that spin tub is a stainless steel as described. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video and remove it from the box. Okay, so here's the little washer out of the box. Let's just take a quick walk around. Looks like everything is attached. Here's the drain hose. It feels like it's attached. Okay, electrical. Here's the back. It's all in good shape. Okay, so so far I think it's looks really good. Let's turn it over. Just to inspect the bottom here. Okay, yep. Looks like it arrived in good condition. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up in the bathroom and we'll test it. Thank you.